To ensure your Kraken account remains secure, it's important to remove any old devices that you no longer use. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account's security features. Step 3. Access Device Management. Within the Security settings, look for an option labeled Device Management or Trusted Devices. Click on it to view a list of devices currently associated with your account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of the devices you wish to remove. Step 5. Remove unwanted devices. Select the all devices you want to remove and follow the prompts to delete them from your account. Confirm the action if prompted to ensure they are successfully removed. By following these steps, you can keep your Kraken account secure by managing the devices that have access to it. Regularly reviewing and updating your security settings is a good practice for maintaining account safety.